Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. And I have my sidekick with me today, Carlito. Say hi, Carlito.
Hey guys.
Today it's all about ribs, and this episode starts
Right now.
Hey guys, I'm back for another great episode with my sidekick Carlito here, my 12-year-old, which is a great help in the kitchen. Today it's all about ribs. Today I have a beautiful rack of baby back ribs that I cut up individually, and I have it behind me in the magic pot in the pressure cooker with some water and lemon, because these ribs are going to be in delicious red sauce, Cuban style, with a bed of rice. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. This is some yum yum stuff. So I have the ingredients behind me. Let's go check them out, Carlito.
Let's do it.
Okay guys, here we have the ingredients for our Cuban style ribs, baby back ribs in our delicious sofrito sauce. I have a teaspoon and a half of cumin. That's my secret to pork. Everybody that knows me knows that. I have a teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon and a quarter actually, teaspoon of garlic powder and a quarter, teaspoon and a quarter black pepper, teaspoon and a quarter onion pepper. I have a teaspoon and a half of paprika. I have a teaspoon and a quarter of red pepper flakes, depending on how spicy you like it. You can omit that if you don't like spicy. I have a beautiful small bunch of chopped up cilantro, 2 beautiful minced garlic cloves, half a yellow onion, our beautiful medley of the peppers that you guys already know I keep in the bag in the freezer. So we got some yellow and green today and a piece of red. I'm going to use some 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, and we're going to use some VO juice today, which is vegetable oil. And like I said, our ribs are behind me in our magic pot, softening them up. So I'll meet you guys at the stove. We will meet you at the stove, and let's get cooking. Hey guys, we're back and we are at the stove. So I'm going to grab some of this VO juice and we're going to put it in our pan. Check this out. Ooh, look at this. Carlito, we're going to do this. It's nice and hot. Do 2, maybe like a tablespoon and a quarter. Now we're going to drop our onions right here. Would you like to stir that, young man, or would you like for me to stir it?
I will stir it.
You stir it quick. Hurry up. Don't be afraid. He's still learning, you guys.
It's jumping.
It's not jumping, Carlito. Be careful. Don't be afraid, sweetheart. Hold the spatula like this. Yeah, don't be afraid. Good job. Isn't he doing a good job? Doing a good job. Okay. Now I'm going to pour in let's pour our spices, okay?
Okay.
We have our salt, oregano, and cumin. I forgot to mention, I'm also going to put some, of course, white distilled vinegar. We have our garlic powder, onion powder. You have to always have respect for the stove, always, okay? Right? All right, honey, come on. You can do it. Here, just stir like that. Don't be afraid.
Okay.
We have to mix our ingredients and hold on to the pot. Our black pepper, our paprika, our fresh garlic. Let's move it. We have fresh garlic in there. We don't want it to burn. Our fresh garlic and our red pepper flakes. All right.
Whoa.
So why don't you hand it to me for a second so I can stir it properly. All right. All right, Carlito. So now, wow, it smells so good, you guys. Woo. Smells delicious. Oh, it smells good? Tell them, Carlito, how does it smell?
It smells
Yum,
great.
yum.
Yes, it smells yum yum.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to drop the heat to medium now, you guys. Look at this. Look at these beautiful ribs I took out of my magic pot. I pressure cooked them for 12 minutes with water and lemon juice. A high pressure cook for 10 minutes. If you don't have a magic pot or a pressure cooker, I mean, you can boil them for 45 minutes, do that, but you can, and that's fine too. So let's grab, Carlito, our vinegar. We have some white distilled vinegar, you guys. We're doing about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons is fine. Okay, Carlito, so keep stirring that for me, darling. Don't disappear on me. Don't hide in the background. And we have, which I forgot to mention, we also have a bay leaf, excuse me, and 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder, which I am famous for. Chicken bouillon powder. Stir that up. Yum, yum, yum. And let's put some of our cilantro in there, Carlito, and then we'll save some to garnish. Okay? Because I love fresh herbs on these hearty, yummy meals. Oh my God.
It's quiet.
Beautiful, huh? I like it. So now I have a secret ingredient that I didn't take out because I wanted to surprise you all. We're going to put in a tablespoon and a half
sugar.
Ketchup.
Oh, ketchup.
God, ketchup. So I'm going to grab the ketchup while you use your measuring spoon, okay? Use your measuring spoon. Tablespoon and a half. That's 1 and then a half. Okay, stir that.
The colors.
Smells good, huh?
Yes.
Let's stir that up. Careful you don't splatter. Take your time.
Why not sugar?
There's sugar and ketchup. Good question.
Okay.
Good question. There's sugar and ketchup. Okay, so now I'm going to grab, I don't have it nearby, but let's go ahead and grab a cup of water. Grab your measuring cup and put a cup of water in there. This is how we're going to create our sauce. I'm going to put my beautiful ribs in here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that sauce. Look at that sauce. Oh my God, it's not even concentrated yet. Look at our beautiful baby back ribs. I'm going to put those in. I'm going to cover these nice, very carefully. As you all know, as I've mentioned before, I never put dry bay leaves. Go ahead, sweetheart. You can drop it in.
Wow.
All right, there we go. I never put dry bay leaves when I'm stirring the onions. I've said it before because the bay leaves, Carlito, are dry. So if you stir them too hard with the onions, it'll just crackle into little pieces, and you don't want that in your food. Nobody wants that in their food. The bay leaf is strictly for flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and cover it. We're going to leave it like that for like 15 minutes. When I come back, we're going to make a beautiful cherry tomato radish salad with my famous super simple dressing that my brother always raves about that you can't stop eating. And you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this, you guys. We will be right back. Hey guys, we're back and we are ready to taste. This one's driving me crazy. Mom, please, let me try some. We're gonna try some, okay? I want to show our people out there how beautiful this plate is of food, okay? So we have our ribs, our fluffy white rice, and our simple little radish and tomato salad. Look at that, you guys. Perfect for a thumbnail. I always say it. Okay, let's do a thumbnail, Carlito.
You're going to do one with these fun, okay.
Anyway, no, stop. Okay, let's try it. Here's his fork and my fork. I'm going to try a little piece. Look at how this rib fell off the bone. Yum, yum, yum. Let's share with our people, Carlito. You ready? It's hot. Smells good.
Wow. So many different flavors.
Don't eat with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Oh my God, you guys. Wait a minute. I can't. Hold on a second.
Second
I'm not
taste.
going to do it. Carlito! That's so good. You guys. Oh my God. The heat from the crushed red pepper after you swallow the meat is so tender with all of those Cuban spices. And then that fluffy white rice. And then on top of that, Carlito, you get that vinegar from that little simple salad with the crunch from the radish. Oh my God. But I'm not sure. I think we should try it again.
Maybe one more time.
Yeah, let's try it again.
Just one more time.
Just to make sure.
Yeah. But yeah. I got the most delicious fork in the world.
Are you ready, guys? All right, here goes nothing. Oh, I dropped my tomato. Go. Oh.
That's my plate, thank you.
Oh my god. That was so. Oh my god. What do you think?
I would do the napkin hold. You know, like that. Here you go. So delicious, mate. The flavors increased by 10 times. They've got all the chicken and deliciousness there is. They got the rice. That is very good, mate.
He's gone mad. Anyway, it's so much fun. Remember, you guys, cooking in the kitchen with your kids is so great. It's such good bonding time, and they learn and we have fun. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video. Our new aprons. I made them myself. I hope you guys like them. And as always, you guys, au revoir, los quiero, I love you, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back. Carlito might be back. I don't know about that. It depends on what he's doing, but so let's say we will be back.
We
we will see you then.
Guacamole.
Take good care. Bye.